Attention glass installation companies. You know that you need to be seen on Google, but you've been told that if you want to pay for ads, it's going to cost you $10,000 a month, and that's even before you pay the ads management fee. And if you want to be seen on Google with SEO, then you've been told it's going to cost you upwards of $1,000 a month and probably 6 months before any movement starts to happen, right? What if I told you there's a different way? What if I told you that there was an SEO where you didn't have to pay anything? My name is Kyle Sabra from Hat Local SEO Agency, and we have a free until you rank SEO program for glass installation companies. So if you want to rank for things like frameless shower door installation near me, window replacement near me, window installation near me, or even like custom glass project near me, then get our free until you rank SEO program. So with this, you won't pay anything until we get you in Google Maps for those keywords. I mean, imagine that. If you don't have to pay anything until we get you the results, how much are you going to be saving every single year, right? So how does this work? Well, with our free until you rank SEO program for glass installation companies, we're going to get your Google business profile optimized that. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure all the information is correct. We're going to make sure that you have posts being published a few times a week, that your services are listed on there, that you have images being uploaded regularly, and then we're going to take your website. We're going to make sure that there's a page on there specifically targeting the keyword that you want to rank for or the service that you want to rank for. We're going to make sure that the content on there is completely optimized for Google and leads to conversions from real users. We're going to make sure that we have backlinks being pointed over there. We're going to shoot over some press releases to make sure we get you in the press, and then we're going to do some of our magic sauce in the background so that you don't have to do anything except sit back and watch those leads come through your phone or through your form fill. So again, if you want free SEO, if you want our free until you rank SEO program for glass installation companies, then contact us today.